Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send YouTube Shorts on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do now is just to open your YouTube mobile app. And from here, you will need just to go to any shorts that you find or that you want to send over WhatsApp. And now, all we need to do is to start sharing it. To do so, we need just to click on the share button. From here, another menu it will start showing, and we can find the quick share, which is concerning just the mobile, and here we can find our channels or our social media. If you cannot find WhatsApp from here, you can just click more and you will find all your channels. Now we need to click on WhatsApp so we can send this over WhatsApp. After clicking on it, it will take us to WhatsApp. And make sure, and of course you will need just to have it. And I'm not setting up my number. Basically, when you choose any number or any shorts, you will find the list of your contacts from here. So you will need just to select your contact that you want to send them these shorts. Then you will need just to click on the send button. And of course, you can start having a view for very similar to this one. You will have your list here, and then you can also start modifying on the link. You can start adding some comments if you want. You can add emojis, etc. if you would like also. And this is applying to all the social media that allows some sharing over network. So basically you can do the same for all social media, such as Snapchat. If you go to Snapchat, you will be able to see all your contacts from here. You select anyone that you want to send them the shorts, and then you will just confirm. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.